Today we're going to show you something we got from Grubbly Farms.
What do we got today, Gray?
We have chicken food.
Chicken food?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it looks like we got some chicken food from Grubbly Farms. You think they're gonna like it?
Yeah. They're already looking at it.
Yep, there's popcorn. Just waiting for it over there.
Yeah, she's like, give me it already. Okay, so we're gonna pour it in here and see how the chickens react, if they're gonna come to it or what are they gonna do. Rosie, are you excited? Look. It looks like they're really liking it because they're eating it all. So this is Grubbly Farms Fresh Pellets, and you can go check it out at grubblyfarms.com. If you're interested in new customers get 25% off their first order. Oh, I forgot to mention, all orders ship free.
All right, everybody. So as you can see, we got the fresh packs here from Grubbly Farms. It is black soldier fly grubs. That's what it's made with, and a bunch of other stuff. It looks like whole grains, green peas, marigold, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, and essential vitamins, minerals, and probiotics. So it is a pretty healthy chicken feed. Also, it is in pellets or crumbles. We got the pellets. We did not get the crumbles, as you can see down here. It's definitely the pellet version. But as soon as we put it out here, they came running and they were eating it all up. So
Yep,
I'd say it's a win around here. There's Rosie with Gray. But yeah, we'll see how the eggs, and if the eggs improve any or anything like that here in the next couple of days. But yeah, it's a very nice bag. We want to thank Grubbly Farms for sending us this because, let's see.
I don't think she's hungry right now.
No, because she just sat there and ate.
Yeah.
But now they're going to go over there and just peck the ground.
Yeah, because there's food right there.
But according to this bag, it does look like the more you buy, you do earn points on every purchase. So you can get coupons and stuff like that. And as Gray said, on your first order, you get 25% off. But yeah, this looks like the chickens, they definitely, I say they definitely like it, Gray. What do you think?
Rosie loved it.
Rosie loves it. Now she's going to go take a nap, it looks like.
She loved it so much, she just wants to take a nap.
Yep, she's going to take a nap. And I did want to mention, this is made in the U.S. But very nice bags. I'd say it's worth the money, that's for sure. There they are. Actually, look, there they are. Right back to eating.
I guess Rosie didn't want to take a nap after all.
Nope, and I guess we're gonna have to continue buying this food after all, huh?
Yeah.
I've never seen them just eat like this with any other kind of feed that we feed them. They're definitely seem to enjoy it.
I think I know why Rosie acted like she wanted to go to sleep.
Why?
Because when I pet her that way, she just like, she loves it so much it makes her want to go to sleep.
Yeah, probably. It's getting late too, so almost bedtime.
Yeah.
But yeah, the chickens, Rosie, Popcorn, and Chloe definitely seem to be enjoying this.
I have
So I'd say it's a win.
I have something to tell all of y'all that have chickens that you can like pick up. So if you have chickens that you can pick up, like hens and stuff, it'd say to pet them, like take one finger and then like pet them on the head. They love it.
Really?
That's what I do to Rosie.
Seems pretty interesting. I'm gonna grab this real quick. I'm gonna show you what's in this food. Give you a little bit of a close-up here.
Yeah.
What do you see in there, Gray? It looks like some seeds, some crumble stuff. Yep. All kinds of different stuff that you normally don't see in like normal chick feed. There you go, it's focused now.
Here's the pellets.
Yep. Pellets.
Yeah, pellets.
You got some
more seeds.
Some different kind of flax seeds and all kinds of. Oh yeah, that looks like some healthy feed right there for the chicks. I'll put it back in there.
I hope you like this video. And make sure to check out grubblyfarms.com and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.